Case IH QuadTrac UnderCarriage. We've got 8 brand new complete assemblies. We've got several different ways we can sell them. Obviously we can sell them complete, but the price point on that makes them a little spendy. What goes wrong with these is the weld where the cast and the steel meets is where it breaks. So our first level would be obviously a complete unit with a core rebate. First level down would be removing the idler wheels. Different price point. Second layer down would be removing the bogie wheels and the bearings. Third level down would be to remove the entire beam, which would include those rubber wedges and rubber bumpers. Layer after that would be to remove the idler axles, front and rear, which would basically just leave the beam with the tension link. There's an internal spring, and then there's a cylinder that pushes the tension link. And lastly would be the bare frame. We can do the same thing on used. It's just used will always have a different level of, typically those are going to come in off of a fire unit, so they're going to be different levels of condition. So those are a little bit harder to decipher how we want to do them. We do sell the idler wheels. These idler wheels, we sell those new. We sell the bogie wheels. When we sell the bogie wheels, we do sell the bearings with them. So it's more than just, higher price than the idler wheels. And the more bogies you buy, the more discount you get. So these are new old stock. They were never installed at the factory. If we can help you out, let us know. These are, one side note, these are scraper versions. So they're a little, most of the scraper changes happen in the idlers, so they're a little bit heavier in the idler wheels.